Are you looking to give your kidneys a health boost? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only fascinating, but also crucial for your well-being: your kidneys. These little powerhouses in our bodies do so much more than we give them credit for, from filtering waste to keeping our electrolytes in check. But here's the kicker: the foods we eat play a starring role in keeping our kidneys in top shape. And guess what? I've got the inside scoop on 7 must-have foods that are like a healing balm for your kidneys. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just someone looking to make a few positive changes in your diet, this video is your golden ticket to kidney health. So buckle up and let's embark on this tasty journey to better kidney health. Berries. Let's kick off our list with a burst of color and flavor. Berries. These small but mighty fruits are a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them a perfect ally for your kidneys. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are known for their high antioxidant content, particularly vitamin C and manganese. Antioxidants are crucial in combating oxidative stress, a condition that can lead to chronic kidney disease if left unchecked. But the benefits of berries don't stop there. They are also low in potassium, a mineral that, while essential, needs to be monitored in those with kidney concerns. High potassium levels can be harmful to damaged kidneys, as they struggle to filter excess amounts from the blood. By choosing berries, you're giving your kidneys a break without skimping on nutrition. Moreover, the natural sweetness and versatility of berries make them an easy addition to any diet. Sprinkle them on your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or simply enjoy them as a fresh, juicy snack. Your kidneys will thank you for this delicious and nutritious treat. Fatty fish. Next on our list is fatty fish, a category that includes salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are not only delectable, but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining kidney health. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of kidney disease and its progression. Fatty fish are also a great source of high-quality protein. Protein is vital for the body's repair and maintenance, but too much of it can be a burden on the kidneys. The protein in fatty fish is considered more kidney-friendly, as it is easier for the kidneys to process compared to other animal proteins. In addition to omega-3s and protein, fatty fish are rich in B vitamins, selenium, and other minerals that support overall health. Including fatty fish in your diet a couple of times a week can not only boost your kidney health, but also contribute to heart health and overall well-being. Red bell peppers. Next, let's talk about red bell peppers. These vibrant vegetables are a fantastic choice for those focusing on kidney health. Red bell peppers are low in potassium, which, as we've learned, is crucial for people with kidney concerns. But their low potassium content isn't the only thing that makes them special. Red bell peppers are brimming with vitamins A, C, B6, folic acid, and fiber. Vitamin A is essential for immune function and vision, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys from damage. Vitamin B6 and folic acid play a role in energy metabolism and red blood cell formation. What's more, red bell peppers add a splash of color and a sweet, crisp flavor to any dish. They can be enjoyed raw in salads, roasted as a side dish, or stuffed with quinoa and vegetables for a hearty meal. Incorporating red bell peppers into your diet is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a boon for your kidney health. Garlic, a staple in kitchens worldwide, is more than just a flavor enhancer for your favorite dishes. It's a superfood with numerous health benefits, particularly for the kidneys. Garlic is rich in allicin, a compound that provides its distinctive aroma and taste. Allicin is not just responsible for garlic's flavor profile, it's also a potent antioxidant that helps protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Scientific research has consistently backed the benefits of garlic for kidney health. Studies have shown that garlic can help reduce the progression of chronic kidney disease and improve overall kidney function. It does this by lowering levels of creatinine and urea in the blood, which are indicators of kidney health. Additionally, garlic has been found to have a positive effect on blood pressure, a common issue in individuals with kidney problems. By helping to lower blood pressure, garlic indirectly supports kidney health as high blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Another notable benefit of garlic is its role in reducing cholesterol levels. High cholesterol can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition where plaque builds up in the arteries, potentially leading to kidney damage. Garlic's ability to lower cholesterol levels helps maintain healthy blood flow, crucial for optimal kidney function. Incorporating garlic into your diet is easy and delicious. It can be added to a wide range of dishes, from soups and sauces to stir-fries and marinades, enhancing flavor while providing health benefits. Cabbage. Cabbage is the fifth food on our list, and it's a fantastic choice for those looking to support their kidney health. This leafy vegetable is packed with essential nutrients while being low in potassium, making it an ideal option for kidney-friendly diets. Cabbage is rich in vitamins K, C, and B6, along with fiber and folic acid. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the kidneys from damage. Vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in metabolism and red blood cell production. The fiber in cabbage not only aids digestion, but also helps in maintaining a healthy weight, a key factor in preventing kidney disease. One of the unique properties of cabbage is its high content of phytochemicals. These naturally occurring compounds have been shown to break up free radicals before they can do damage, thus protecting the kidneys and other organs from oxidative stress. Additionally, cabbage has anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial in reducing the risk of chronic kidney disease. Cabbage is a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in various ways. It can be eaten raw in salads, steamed, sautéed, or added to soups and stews. Its mild flavor makes it a great addition to many dishes, allowing it to blend seamlessly into your diet. Cauliflower. Cauliflower stands out as the sixth food on our list, celebrated for its versatility and numerous health benefits, particularly for the kidneys. This cruciferous vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamin C, folate, and fiber, while being low in potassium, which is essential for those with kidney concerns. One of the key benefits of cauliflower is its high vitamin C content. This antioxidant plays a vital role in combating oxidative stress, which can lead to kidney damage over time. Additionally, the fiber in cauliflower aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Folate, another nutrient found in cauliflower, is crucial for DNA repair and cell growth, further supporting overall kidney health. Incorporating cauliflower into your diet is both easy and enjoyable. It can be steamed, boiled, roasted, or even eaten raw. Cauliflower can be mashed as a low-carb alternative to mashed potatoes, or it can be grated and used as a rice substitute in various dishes. Its mild flavor allows it to absorb the flavors of spices and sauces, making it a versatile ingredient in a range of culinary styles. Apples, a natural kidney health booster. Concluding our list is the humble apple, a fruit renowned for its health benefits, including its positive impact on kidney health. Apples are high in fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds, making them an excellent choice for maintaining kidney health. The high fiber content in apples is beneficial for digestive health, which is closely linked to kidney health. A well-functioning digestive system helps in the efficient elimination of toxins, reducing the burden on the kidneys. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of apples can help reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease and other kidney-related issues. Apples are also a good source of vitamin C and contain compounds that may help reduce cholesterol levels, a factor that can contribute to kidney disease. Their natural sweetness makes them a perfect snack for those looking to satisfy their sweet tooth without overloading on sugar. Apples are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into the diet in numerous ways. They can be eaten raw as a snack, added to salads for a crunchy texture, baked into desserts, or even cooked down into sauces and spreads. Their availability and ease of use make them a practical and beneficial addition to any kidney-friendly diet. And there you have it, folks, the 7 superstar foods that are like a kidney's best friend. Incorporating these into your diet isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a giant leap towards healthier kidneys. And hey, while you're trying out these new additions to your diet, why not share the love? Hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and spread the word about kidney health. Together, let's make healthy living not just a goal, but a way of life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.